Video 4, Unit 9. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Today I'm going to discuss the unit number 9, the rainbow. Let's read the objectives. Identify and use simple adverbs of manner. Identify and use should, should not to express permission and prohibition. Demonstrate the use of and, or, and, but. So let's start with the use of, students. Should and should not. This is the topic. Use of should and should not. Where we use should and in what cases we use should not. Let me tell you, should is always to make recommendations. Or you are allowing other person to permitted allow other persons, and should not is used for negative sentences. Whenever you denied it, it means you are allowing to talk. Or it means you are talking about obligations. So students, in these cases, we use should and should not. Now I'm going to give you some examples so that you may have a better understanding about it. For example, I'm writing, we should get up early in the morning. We should get up early in the morning. I'm using should. I'm obviously obligating to that one that everyone has to be get up early in the morning. It means that I'm giving the recommendation or giving advice. What this kind of a sentence is? Advice, in which I am giving the advice. Now there is a statement like children should not eat too many sweets. Now students, look at this. Should not. It means that I am discouraging. I am not allowing others to eat too many sweets. So that's why I'm using should not. Now I'm giving you one more example. We should always talk to our elders politely. Now what is it? We should always talk to our elders politely. It means that I'm giving an advice. So here in this type of, when you are giving you advice, some kind of recommendations, we use should. Now students, look at this one. You will see that one, that complete the sentences using should or should not. There are some sentences, for example, we dash treat animals kindly. Can you please tell me? Can anyone tell? We dash treat animals kindly. I am giving the advice. So what I have to use? Should. We should treat animals kindly. Let's see. 2. You dash make fun of others. It means that I'm discouraging something. So that's why I'm using should not. You should not make fun of others. Now I'm writing another one. We dash wear warm clothes in winter. So I'm giving the advice. So that's why I'm using we should wear warm clothes in winter. Now I'm writing another one. You dash study hard. Here in this sentence, I am giving the advice. So I am writing here should. You should study hard. Another statement. We dash tell a lie. This statement is discouraging one. So I am writing we should not tell a lie. So in this way, students, we use the use of should and should not. I hope now you have the better understanding of using these two things. Now, joining words. This is another important topic. As you can see on page number 92, these are called connectors. Now students, joining words. Look at page number 92. Read the following sentences. Notice the use of joining words. Before going to explain that one, first you need to discuss, I'll show you what kinds of words are joining words and what are the joining words. It means for joining that comes up, you have an idea about that. It means that they join some kinds of words, the joining words, they join some phrases, word like work as a connector. So some joining words are and, but, or. These are some forms of joining words. Now I'm going to read that one. On page number 92, look at this. Number 1, boats sail on the rivers and ships sails on the seas. It means that it connects two phrases. Number 1, but boat sails on the rivers. Then I'm using and then ship sails on the seas. So what word I used? Joining word. That is and. Ships sail on the seas, but now I'm going to add more something. But clouds sail across the sky. So which joining word I used? But. The rainbow was beautiful, but there was no rain. Now I am going now another addition. So I use the word but because I want to tell more. So that's why I add but. So but is a connector, a joining word. I like blue and violet. I'm connecting two words, colors in the rainbow. You can have tea or coffee. I'm giving the choice. So I use the word or. So in this way, students, some joining words, linkages words and sentences to give a full meaning to that particular sentence. Now look at on page number 93. Complete the sentences using the joining words. I'm reading that one. Look at, I looked for my maths book. Dash, I couldn't find it. But I couldn't find it. Mango, and grapes are my favorite fruit. You can play cricket or hockey, because I'm in the sentence there is a choice. If there is a choice, you can use or. My mother is strict, but she is polite also. I want to add more something, so I use but. So in this way, we use connectors. We use joining words. I hope now you have the better understanding about these concepts. Now move towards another important topic of this lesson, students. Adverbs of manner. In previous lessons, we also have discussed adverbs of time. Now, in this case, I'm going to discuss with you the adverbs of manner. Adverb. First, before going to adverbs of manner, first I will explain what is an adverb. An adverb is a word that adds more detail to the verb. That adds more detail to the verb. For example, politely, loudly, silently. These are adverbs that added more meaning, more detail to the verb. Now, what is adverbs of manner? That is the question. It means tells the manner or a way in which something is happening. Adverbs of manners, what are? In which something is happening. Manner. In what manner that something is going to be happening. That tells about the adverbs of manner. Now I am going to read some given sentences. Notice the use of adverbs. Number one, my teacher spoke politely. Is an adverb, manners, adverbs of manner. She wrote a short note easily, adverb of manner. We play cricket daily, adverb of manner. The rain fell heavily, adverb of manner. When the teacher speaks, we listen carefully, adverb of manner. So now students, you can notice the use of adverbs in the given sentences that I have read. Now look at page number 93 of your textbook. Circle the adverbs in the following sentences. There are given sentences on your textbook. You need to circle the adverbs. It means that we need to identify the adverbs in the following sentences. Now look at number one. The clouds move slowly. I'm writing here for your help. Let me. The clouds move slowly. So in this case, which one is the adverbs of manner? Slowly. Number two, she wrote a short note easily. Which one is the adverb? Easily. Number three, he swims well. Well is the adverb. of manner. Number 4, the stars shone brightly. In this case, brightly is the adverb of manner. Number 5, we ate quickly.